Given the standard normal, we want to find the probability that z is greater than or equal to 1.35. The first thing to note here is that it makes no difference whether we have a greater than or equal to or just a greater than. And the reason for this is that we're dealing with a continuous distribution. Because we're dealing with a continuous distribution, there are an infinite number of possible values for z. It follows that the probability of any one particular value must be 0. Therefore, it makes no difference whether you're asked for a greater than or equal to or a greater than, because the probability of this value actually being 1.35 is 0. Once again, let's draw a sketch to see exactly what we want to find here. This is the standard normal, so it has its mean at 0. 1.35 is about here, and we want the probability z is greater than, so we want this shaded area. Clearly, since the whole area is 1, if we have the phi of 1.35, which gives us the area below 1.35, we can then do the sum 1 take away phi of 1.35. Let's look at that again. We're after the area to the right of 1.35. The whole area is 1, and the tables give us the area to the left. So if we do 1 take away phi of 1.35, we get the area that we want. So looking up tables, we get 1 take away 0.9115, and you should look at your tables now and make sure that you can get this value, and this gives us 0.0885.